Good. Okay, so our pranayama is the same one we did last week. It's segmented breath, 4 parts in and 8 parts out. It's done through your nose, not through your mouth. The inhalation and exhalation are both divided into several parts in a specific ratio. It's 4 complete separated sniffs in through your nose, slight suspension of your breath, separating each part, and then 8 parts out. And they can be shallow sniffs. You can silently count to 8 and 4, or you can just use a mantra such as, I bless myself as you inhale, and exhale, I bless myself, I bless all life. So it's kind of just something like this. And you don't have to use the mantra. You can just count to 4 on the inhale and count to 8 on the out. Each segment has a beginning and an end with that little pause in between. And as I said, it can be a shallow sniff. You don't have to really get super oxygenated with this one. It's to stimulate your central brain and your glandular system in a specific way. And this ratio is said to be calming, unblocking, and helpful for letting go. So go ahead and practice it a little bit. And when you're ready, just sit comfortably with your spine straight and your eyes closed, and relax your shoulders and relax your face. And go ahead and begin. And I'll start the timer. We're going to go for 5 minutes, 4 sniffs in and 8 sniffs out. Just slowly, gently, relaxed, with a slight pause in between each segment. Go at your own pace. Up too loud to be talking over it, so thank you, Vicki. All right. So as I was saying, you can just try to feel the air up inside your nasal passage a couple of inches. Very sensitive nerve there, and when you inhale on the sniffing on the inhale, you can particularly feel that, and it just makes you more sensitive and gives you even a better effect if you can focus there. On the exhale, I don't quite feel it as much. Maybe you will, but particularly on the inhale, you can feel that nerve up there. Just about 2 minutes to go. You're doing good. Almost done. 46 seconds to go. Okay, please inhale deeply and suspend your breath. And exhale completely, keeping your eyes closed. Just relax your breath now into slow, deep breathing and go inside and notice how you feel. Good, well done.